Yes, I got emerald. 저는 이제 에메랄드를 하나 주문했는데 이제 받았어요. The 한미 jewelry gemology institute lab. No. 한미 gemological institute and lab. The natural barrel, emerald, the species and variety. I don't know. The comments. No. So I read this. Yeah. Species and variety. I don't know what's the pronunciation. And identified is is the weight is the 0.41 carat. Yeah. And this is the very most valuable institute. Yeah. Available. And website is here. 한미 lab. co.kr. Yes. And this, the barcode. The original barcode seems like a barcode. This square style barcode is handphone, cellular phone, the camera. And camera 인식을 한다. 인식이 뭐지 영어로? 인식. Recognize that. Yes. And President 김영출. Okay. Graduate gemologist and Institute of America. And fellowship of Gemological Association of Great Britain. Yeah, 영국. And Master Warrior USA. Wow. MV. And a soloized gemologist Korea. Yes, I got this. I got a Korea gemologist. I got a the institute, the qualification. Yeah, and I have two. And Ruby and Sapphire has the guideline. This an emerald guideline is a oiling guidelines has this. Yes. Okay. And the Chinese, I don't know Chinese, but the telephone number is here. And this is the association. ISO 9001 and KSA. KSA is a Korean Industrial standard. Yes. Report of gem identification. Now, let me see. The green, transparent. The size and square step cut loose stone. Yeah. Loose stone. Loose stone means I think it is only stone. Yeah. The most valuable size is carat, but it's not carat. It's about half carat. Yeah. And 4 dot. Okay. Anyway, millimeters. So it's about the half carat. And this shape, the square cut is the variable, and the square, and it is a 4 square cut. It is emerald cut. Yeah, the same meaning. The square cut is the emerald cut. So emerald must be squared. Square cut is the emerald cut. This is the emerald cut. So emerald. Okay. So valuable. Valuable design, the stone. Yes. So it is the real emerald, but it's very cheap. I got this. I got this only 50,000 won. Only 50,000 won. Do you believe that? Only 50,000 won, Korean won. I have this one. It is very cheap and valuable. The emerald design and emerald cut. It is a real emerald. And half carat. About half carat. Wow, it's very nice. And date. And number. And now, I'll show you. This is the emerald cut. Yeah. I was setting in other site. I recommend that. And the square design is very small size, but manly size. Yeah, too much large. It's the I think it is woman's one, but it's manly size, not small. Its color is not the diamond cut, and this color is green, so it is not very small size. It is not very small size, and I like it. Very specialty. Yeah. Thank you. And own your design. Can your design and have you something like that. The way I will show you my blog. Thank you.